All right, keep coming back slowly. Watch the alignment on the left. We're clear back here, boss. Morning, John. Careful with this one, they're settling in nicely. Yeah, it looks like the temperature is perfect.
The activity levels look good, very alert.
Temperature is stable at 32 degrees Celsius. Air quality is optimal.
The brooder house is equipped with advanced heating systems that maintain the ideal temperature for young chicks. Warm air circulates evenly throughout the building.
These wings are developing nicely. Good weight gain, too.
Fresh water flows continuously through the automatic drinking system as the chicks drink throughout the day. The birds appear lively, active, and evenly distributed.
The flock uniformity looks excellent in this row.
Yes, and the activity levels are high.
The weights are significantly higher than the baseline already. Impressive progress for only 10 days. The system is working perfectly, isn't? Powerful ventilation fans circulate fresh air evenly throughout the poultry facility. The growing chickens remain comfortable as warm.
We have a slight blockage on this line. I see it.
Yeah.
I'll adjust the flow rate from my tablet.
Looks like 4.2 kilograms.
Noted. Growth rate is exactly on target.
The environmental scan looks good. Ammonia levels are stable.
And the birds here are active and healthy. I'll note the humidity before we move on.
The humidity levels are stable at 60%. Good, the airflow seems optimal. By day 15, the chickens have reached an impressive growth milestone and are noticeably stronger and heavier.
Check the flow on the far line. Adjusting it now looks good. Everything seems optimal here. Good. Reliable hydration is essential for their growth.
Moisture content looks good on this batch.
Yeah, the color is consistent too. I'll log it.
The feed conversion ratio is outstanding.
It is. The ventilation system is clearly making a difference.
The birds are active and the feather scores are high across the board.
And the climate parameters are holding steady within the ideal range.
Check the feed distribution in aisle 4. It seems consistent. The birds are thriving. Check the ventilation readings here. All within optimal range, consistent with the last hour.
Look at that uniformity. We are definitely ahead of schedule.
Incredible results for day 20. Great work.
By day 21, the chickens enter one of the fastest growth periods of their entire journey. Their bodies appear
Flow seems consistent here. The chain mechanism is running smoothly. No issues found.
The data confirms excellent health and growth rates this week.
That's great to hear. The uniformity is impressive. The temperature and humidity levels are perfectly stable across the board.
Feather quality is excellent, no signs of stress. They are right on target. Their physical development is remarkable. We are seeing significant weight gain. The records confirm it. Excellent progress overall.
The ventilation seems strong. Yeah, levels look good on the panel too.
Excellent management has paid off. Look at that strong development.
Indeed, the data looks perfect.
The growth targets for day 25 have been achieved. Yes, the numbers look outstanding. The birds are progressing well.
As the morning begins, automatic feeding systems deliver fresh feed across the entire poultry house. Thousands of chickens gather. Current data confirms consistent growth. We're exceeding the goals. Perfect, let's document this. This one's feather quality is excellent, and the comb looks healthy. Noted.
Overall activity is high today.
Look at this uniformity. The growth targets are definitely being met. Absolutely the best flock we've had all year.
We hit the target early. Day 30 and looking great. Fantastic work.
The climate control is optimal. Look at the growth data.
Yes, they've reached the target weight. Perfect timing.
Specially formulated feed is distributed through the automatic feeding lines to support final growth. The Plymouth Rock chickens gather around the feeders. The growth charts look excellent, very consistent, and the birds themselves are in peak condition, good feather coverage. Confirmed, we are ready for the final stage.
The average weight is right on target for day 33. Excellent consistency across all sections.
Advanced digital monitoring systems continue tracking environmental conditions throughout the facility. Temperature, according to the schedule here, the first shipment arrives at 0600.
We've prepared the staging area, but let's double-check the truck access route.
Looks good. All systems are green. All right, let's lock up.
Body condition looks strong across the board.
Agreed. Targets achieved. Documenting successful health inspection and uniformity compliance.
These results are outstanding. Day 35, and they're fully prepared. Exceptional management paid off. They look great.
We have full count on row 4.
Good. The transport truck is backing in now. Let's keep the flow steady.
Ensure the latches are secure on the next row.
Check, Supervisor.
All right, let's keep the pace steady and professional. Here's the next batch.
Okay, keep them calm.
Slide this one back.
Make sure the top crates are secure before the next lift.
Everything is stable here.